Hi, I'm John Gisette, and this is a brief introduction to the Timecard approval system. The Timecard approval system is a system for employees to use to view, edit, and approve their time cards. It's available through any web browser, and the latest version of the documentation is always available up on our website at www.aceparking.com/employee. You'll find training videos and printed documentation that you can review, and it'll always be the latest versions, keeping you up to date with the features of the program. The Timecard approval system, or TAS as we call it for short, is available through any web browser at tas.aceparking.com. Log into the system is as easy as entering two things: your badge number and a PIN code. The badge number is the same number you use when you log into the time and attendance system over the phone or through a time clock. This is the number that you enter over the phone when you punch in or punch out during your shift. The PIN code is 4 digits consisting of the last 2 digits of your birth year and 2 digits of your birthday. So for example, 7206. So I'll go ahead and log in here as an employee and give you a brief tour of the program. So this is the opening page of the Timecard approval system. It always opens to the current pay period, which is shown here with a white background. The pay periods are identified by the last day of the pay period, so you'll see 3/15 in this case here. The previous pay period is always to the right of it, shown here 2/28. This little star indicator lets me know that I currently have that pay period selected. You can see how that star follows me around as I select the different pay periods. The 2 pay periods on this top nav bar will always remain visible in the program. The periods below will only show up if they need to be approved, and these are what we've referred to as historical pay periods. Your name appears up here in the upper left. The date of the pay period and the days during the pay period are shown here in the left column. In the center we have the punch information, all the punches that have been transacted during this pay period. The daily total column here shows the number of hours worked that day, and then a green plus sign on the right, which you can use to add a punch to a line if there is not an existing punch already shown on that line. You can see how that works in the future video. It's also available up on the website. Beneath the punch area on the page, we have the total section over here in the lower left, and then a message center over here on the right. This is an area that a manager can use to respond back to the employee after the employee has requested a punch or a change or approved a time card. This allows the manager to pass information back to the employee to let them know that their request has been received. And you can see in this case there's a message here from me back to Steve from 3/7 telling him that I fixed his punch. The system is straightforward and easy to use, and the idea is that you'll use it to approve the pay periods. So for example, I'll approve this very last pay period here, the very oldest pay period, this 12/31, by clicking on the approve button, looking at and agreeing to this verbiage, and you'll notice then that it goes away. As I approve all of these historical pay periods, they will all disappear from the second line, and eventually I'll be left with just one line. As far as this system goes, it's as easy as that. I'll be showing you additional features in upcoming videos. So I hope this one has been beneficial, and for some details about how to edit punches and further approval of the time card and additional features, please watch the next video. Thank you.